Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto X40 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, and then let's simply scroll down in order to find the system. Now we have to enter the backup option, and as you can see we've been transferred immediately to a Google account, a Google one actually. So let's tap on add account and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. And from this step you can either create a new account or simply enter your email or phone, so let me do it. And a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, and after tapping on next your device will autofill it. So right now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so just tap on I agree after reading. And we've got the information about the Google One and the backup, so you are able to use 15 GB of the Google account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Your device will backup the data automatically, of course will store it securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on turn on. And basically here we've got another information about the backup, how much space you've got left, what kind of details has been backed up already. You can decide whether you want to back up the data also by using the mobile data, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off, so for sure you will not be charged. And to finish the backup, just tap on backup now. Of course you have to confirm it. And basically that's all. This is how to enable the Google backup in your Motorola Moto X40. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.